Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and an alternative sign-in ready. This prevents lockout. Once done, open Start and go to Settings, then Accounts, then Sign-in Options. You need to inspect what Windows Hello methods are active: fingerprint, face, or PIN, because each is removed differently. Make sure to keep a record of any recovery codes or a working password before proceeding. That simply avoids being locked out if removal requires a restart or further changes. You now remove each Windows Hello component. For the PIN, select PIN, Windows Hello, and choose Remove, then confirm your account password. This deletes the stored PIN. For fingerprint or face, select the corresponding option and remove or manage the biometric data so Windows no longer recognizes you. If Enterprise Policy prevents the Remove button, use Group Policy Editor or a registry key change as an administrator to disable biometrics and the PI. Finish by cleaning leftover credentials and forcing a refresh. Open Control Panel, go to Credential Manager, and remove any Windows Hello-related entries. Then restart your PC and sign in with your alternate method to confirm Hello stays disabled. If Windows re-enables biometric sign-in after updates, check Group Policy Settings and Local Security Policy and ensure your device drivers aren't re-registering sensors. If you still can't disable Hello, create a new local admin account to change settings or roll back a recent update as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.